Hi there, I'm Justin Pritchard for autotrader.ca, and today I wanted to talk about the Dodge Durango, which I think is the best looking SUV on like this side of a six-figure price tag, and probably so do you. In fact, I don't know a lot of people that don't think the Durango is a damn fine looking machine. And now for that and many other reasons, I always thought if they made a Durango SRT, I would be okay with that. And Dodge figures you'd probably be okay with that too, especially if you maybe used to have one of these. Or one of these. And then you went and had a few of these, and now you need something with more of these. And this is the result. The Durango SRT is now a thing that exists, and actually it doesn't have many surprises. It's exactly what you'd expect. More power, more speed, targeted upgrades to braking, handling, chassis, cosmetics and electronics, and all of that geared up to turn in a thrilling all-American display of shock and awe firepower with 3 rows of seating, all-wheel drive, and that charming thing where year-round utility and fire-breathing performance go hand in hand. Power comes from the 392 Hemi SRT V8. That's a 6.4-liter unit with 485 horsepower, which is something like 150 or so more than anyone needs in a big family sport ute. It's very excessive, too much in some regards, which will of course help sell a ton of these. Output goes to all 4 wheels via an 8-speed automatic that shifts smoothly and very quickly, and the way this thing gets off the line is just bonkers. You actually feel this weird tingle in your brain because of the G-forces here, and if you have glasses on top of your hat, they'll probably wind up in the back seat. The brakes are these massive Brembos. I wish they were a little more precise in terms of pedal action, but they feel best when worked hard, and I tried numerous repeated stops to see if I could get them to fade. Result? Nope, they're all right there, all the time, even in hard use. Steering is a little lazy and vague and sloppy unless you're in sport mode or beyond, which firms and quickens the steering box up, marking a shift from soccer mom to great big rocket-propelled go-kart. And handling-wise, sure, it's tall and heavy, but as hard as you'd be tempted to push this on a public road, you'd never feel like you're even coming close to pushing your luck. It just sticks to corners like cellophane to freshly microwaved leftover lasagna. Those great big Pirelli tires, about the size of a halved 50-gallon barrel, are largely to thank. Elsewhere, functional openings in the hood and bumper keep things cool and reduce aerodynamic lift for enhanced high-speed handling, and the interior of the Durango has undergone some updates in the past bit, helping it more fully pull its weight towards the big price tag of the new SRT variant. Red leather looks boss, and so does the stitching and readouts and the red engine start button. The illuminated SRT badge on the steering wheel looks pretty cool too. So this is the real deal. It's authentically SRT, with sights and sensations familiar from other rocket Dodges, and of course authentic SRT sound effects too. And with 3 rows of seating and an underlying package that's already well reviewed as a worthy family hauler, all of the performance fun here now comes with room for you and your offspring and their things. Just be warned, even brief exposure to this machine will turn young and impressionable guys and gals into Mopar-loving gearheads for life. Stay in school, kids. So what kind of car do you want?
A bean.
But you still like the Durango, right?
Yeah.
You think the Durango SRT is something Dad should buy?
Yeah.
I think so too. Good stuff, buddy.